could be talking to no one right now. Oh, look, there it is. You can see me? I can't see you. Yet. But you all know me. Liamo All-Star here. And once again, I'm gonna press the button. Or am I? Well, if I do, I get to know everything about anything in the universe. But nobody will ever know it, and even if you tell them, they won't remember. So it's pretty much my day-to-day life, anything and everything that I already know. Everyone else doesn't know, and they don't remember it anyway. So, what's the difference? Hello! 75% would like to know everything, even if you forget it. I'll remember. I'll become immortal, but I'll witness the death of every single person I've met. Oh, well, that is something that is, I mean, to become an omnipotent being, it is logical that that would be the course of action. That you live, you see everyone and everything around you die, but you get to become immortal. Interesting concept. I mean, tough decision, but I gotta say, life prevails. That's one thing that shall never fail. Well, more people would rather die. That's sort of a 50-50 scenario. More in favor of people not wanting to see every person they've met die. But I guess that would be, you know, if you're going to live forever. Tap the microphone. If you're going to live forever, that's bound to happen. So, but, you know, maybe you could become some sort of super mad scientist who could resurrect the dead, maybe turn back time. If you live forever, maybe you could become the genius who could cure death completely. So then you wouldn't have to witness any more suffering. Think about that. I have unlimited money to buy anything except food, but you must fight to the death for your... Okay, I may be proficient in martial arts, but the one thing that martial arts will teach you is that if you put yourself in a dangerous situation like that, then you're not really doing yourself any favors. Basically, the concept is you should never have to use your martial arts except in a last case scenario, and certainly life or death. But if it means having unlimited money to buy anything except food, but fighting to the death for my food for every meal, that's... Jesus Christ. It's like being in a friggin' wrestling feud, having to watch my back, you know? It's wrestling mixed with the purge. And that means that everyone else is probably going to be in a similar scenario. If I've got to fight people to the death for food every day? No. You know, even though I can, I choose not to. Because there's a better way. But how many people... Jesus Christ, almost 50% would. Just for money. You poor deluded fools. You may cast any Harry Potter spells you like. I should really pay more attention to the movie. Maybe I should actually watch the movies and learn the spells, or at least read the books, because I don't know any Harry Potter spells. But you have to sound like I don't know what the hell it is. I'm just getting rid of it. Sorry, Harry Potter fans, but I don't know what the hell you're talking about, so I'm not going to answer yes. Just not going to happen. You will press the button, but nothing happens. I've pretty much been doing that this whole time. But maybe that's what you want me to do. Something will happen if I press the button, and it will defy the logic of your little hypothetical scenario. See? Something happened. 16% said it wouldn't. But they're dead. A close family member is brought back to life, but you have 10 years left to live and your soul will burn forever in hell. Well, interesting predicament, considering that I don't have too many close family members. If I had to bring one back to life, only to live another 10 years and then my soul burns forever in hell. Obviously a fan of Supernatural. Although usually in that Winchester scenario they've either got a year or they just die anyway and burn in hell for all eternity so they can save each other. Yeah, if any of my family's watching right now, I really don't think that I owe you that much. And a lot of people would have to agree. So I'm in the clear. One Direction never existed, but Hitler 6. Who comes up with this? One Direction, I mean, it's not my cup of tea. It's not my personal favourite band. I don't listen to their music, but I don't think they're bad. I don't think they're great. Just two ships passing in the sea in terms of here's One Direction, here's me. An imitation of boats. Yeah, so One Direction would essentially be singing all One Direction songs in German? Whoever put this out there really must hate One Direction and wants everyone to say, no, they really like One Direction. Whatever. I will not press the button. 35% did? You guys are idiots. You could become YouTube famous. If I could do that with these YouTube videos. But everyone who watches your videos will use adblock. So does that mean... I guess that would probably mean no revenue. If I pushed a button, I can become YouTube famous. But the irony is that I'm already trying to get some sort of infamy right now, and I'm doing it on my own without pressing that button right there. And they use adblock. Interesting. You know, I should probably look further into that. But instead, I'm just not going to click the button right now. But about 71% would. Good for you. You're going to make it. gain the ability to convince people of absolutely anything. But every time you lie, you become a bit more detached from reality until you become lost in your own lies. So in other words, you have some advanced form of dementia. And yeah, I don't want that. I'm going to live my life honestly. Thank you very much, Mr. Whoever put this out there. Really? 56. So more than half of the people would rather live a lie and become, thinking about it now. Every time you lie, you become a bit more detached from reality until you become lost in your own lies. Reality is sort of a form of perception in the end. Ultimately, yeah, I still would say no. You 56% of people are nuts. Quite literally, because you're all wrapped around in your own web of lies. Last one. Get to teleport anywhere, but have to wait 24 hours to teleport somewhere else. If I had just one opportunity to instant transmission every day, that would remove a greenhouse gas emissions, that would reduce the greenhouse footprint. I only have to wait another day to transport somewhere else. Why not? Especially if I go back to America or somewhere else again, and those flights are like half a day, full day flights. If I get to do it just once, or let's say hypothetically, I get to teleport anywhere. Now here's where I'm going to get a lot of people on side with me before I click this button. When you gotta go and there's not a toilet in sight and you wish you could just teleport somewhere where you're if you've ever been in that situation right there, then you would click immediately. You wouldn't even think. People right now probably busting right now thinking, oh, I wish I could just teleport somewhere where I could just go. Come on. 9% of you wouldn't? Now you guys are all insane. All 1,655 of you thus far. Well, I'm gonna say that's it for pushing buttons. Although I really technically haven't been pushing buttons, I've mainly been clicking on a mouse. So I guess I probably debunked the whole term press the button. I've been clicking the button. It's not even a button. It's a hypothetical button. It's like whatever. Well, in the meantime, if you like this video, share it, subscribe to the YouTube channel to get weekly videos, and as always, my name is Liam, and I will see you guys next time.